Are you tired of watching your portfolio rise and fall like a roller coaster that you can't control? The stock market can give you 10% returns one year and wipe out half your wealth the next. Meanwhile, the ultra wealthy are quietly building that generational wealth through something far more predictable: multifamily real estate. Why? Because they understand one key truth: cash flow beats speculation every single time. And today we're going to go 3 reasons why multifamily real estate is a better investment over stocks. And by the end of this, you'll see why it's the smartest path to financial wealth. So number 1, control versus chaos. When you invest in stocks, you have zero control. CEOs that you've never met, market conditions you can't predict, and those algorithms are trading billions of dollars in a millisecond. And all of it determines whether your portfolio wins or loses. Think about 2008. Think about 2020. Markets crashed, people panicked, and the retirement accounts were wiped out overnight. But multifamily real estate, you are in control. You pick the market, you set the rents, you decide how to increase the value. Instead of hoping for a return, you force it by improving the property, raising the rents, and optimizing those expenses. You don't have to wait for Wall Street. You make your money work for you. Number 2, cash flow versus speculation. Now ask yourself this: can you pay your bills with stock dividends? Because most stocks pay 2 to 4% in dividends per year. If you had $100,000 invested, that's only $2,000 to $4,000 a year. Barely enough to cover a month's rent in most cities. But with multifamily real estate, it pays you every single month. And with the right deal, the same $100,000 could generate $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Real spendable cash flow. You're not gambling on stock prices going up. You're collecting rent checks from real people living in real homes, providing you with real income every single. And number 3, wealth accumulation and tax benefits. Here's where the rich get richer and most people stay stuck. Stocks are taxed hard. Capital gains, dividends, you name it. But multifamily real estate, it's one of the most tax-advantaged investments in existence. Depreciation lets you write paper losses while still collecting cash flow. You can 1031 exchange in bigger properties without paying capital gains. You can refinance, pull out tax-free cash, and keep the wealth used for real estate legally to avoid taxes and build generational wealth. Meanwhile, most stock investors are just hoping their portfolio grows before taxes eat it alive. Look, let's be real. Wall Street wants you to believe stock market is your only path to wealth. But the truth is, the system is built to keep you dependent. You buy, you hold, you wait, and then you pray. But with multifamily real estate, you control your future. You create wealth on your terms. You collect cash flow month after month. You leverage tax advantages to build generational wealth. And this is how the wealthy play the game. And the question is, are you ready to stop gambling and start winning? If so, it's time to start your journey into multifamily real estate.